Today.
Good morning, family. We're here again, Shirley's Kitchen out in Jamaica, Jamrock. And so we are going to be shopping for the items for my next video. You'll see, just stay tuned.
Songs from the
Out here without fear.
Cool.
We're going to take you on this adventure with us.
Okay.
So we're here, family, looking at some vegetables, fresh vegetables, organic vegetables. This is a farmers market, and so they just do organic stuff, organically grown. Good morning, my dear. How are you? Where is that, Miss Bunny? Alright, so these are some organic carrots.
It's your video for our YouTube channel.
And over here, you're getting cucumbers today.
Oh. This one and a half something long enough. Is that color green?
Oh, look at these scallions, family.
Color green.
I'm going to be making some soup also.
I'm sorry, I can't find the big one now. Sure? No, color.
Look at this big difference. Yeah, back for this.
Every way this coming out.
Bok chow. Okay. Ouch. You make me bad. You getting bit?
Something crawl up my leg. Something is going on.
Just check it out.
Fish here over there.
Are we getting these?
What's
Bok chow.
Oh, that's bok chow.
String is here.
Here's my string bean right here. You have the mix, let's say? You have Lazona?
No, sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I have to get planted. We're getting bok chow. One more?
The second one.
Okay. Here's my bok chow.
You can take this and go and pay yours.
How much?
She told me. This okay. Alright, no problem. Because I didn't wait for anything. I just keep it. She don't sell it and I get in trouble.
They didn't just start it? Never actually
Oh, Jamaica.
Pineapple.
Give me, yeah. Give me.
Papayas.
What you want?
Eggplants. Look at the bell peppers are them small.
Can I have 4 of the jelly? Please?
Yeah. Look at the pineapples out there. Tiny. Wow.
Mm.
Anyway, you're gonna look at the
What? Oh, the cauliflower is way
smaller.
smaller.
Look at the cabbage. Cabbage smaller.
Yeah.
The jelly, yeah.
We're going over with the jelly.
Just shape them down.
Look at the cinnamon.
Oh, cabbage.
How much this was on the man? No, wait, I am.
Got the jelly thing.
That is all sweet. You don't sweet come back and cost.
Oh, that's fire.
Oh, my last one. You see, Jimmy?
It's over. The ladies in front of it right here.
Oh. I guess I'll pack it.
You know, last week I bought 2 pieces. And the one that looked like this was not as good as the other. The other one was good.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
That man, that's the cup. Yeah.
Yeah. No ripe one?
No.
Sour shop.
Papayas.
Oh, you need a big bag?
Yes, please. How much?
600.
What are these? Guava? And you grow all your stuff.
These are oyster mushroom.
So family, here are some mushrooms grown in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Philip.
Philip? Nice to meet you. Can you tell us something about the mushrooms? How you grow it?
Well, it's not. I'm not the grower.
Oh, you're not the grower, you're just selling.
Yeah. That's
Oh, but it's grown out here.
yeah, it's natural
Okay.
growing. The mushroom growing.
Oh wow, look at that. Manchester? Okay, okay.
It's natural, organic mushroom.
What's the name of your business here? Oh,
It's not even
Oh.
in the season? Okay, family, so you can come out to Inner Season Bakery at the Farmers Market in Liguanea. Yeah, and get your mushrooms grown in Jamaica. This could make the remember we're talking about it in Florida. We want to make. How long can we keep it? Because
the mushroom keep fresh in the cooler for 11 days.
11 days.
Yeah,
God, we
you
leave
keep
it.
it cool for 11 days.
We'd have to.
Yeah.
Oh, we make it out here.
Okay.
You don't have to wait to go to Florida to make that burger or something. Chicken burger or something with it. Okay. So how do you sell the mushroom now?
4,200 per pound.
Per pound? 4,000. What would and this will half a pound look like?
Yeah.
Let's do a want to see how much I'm getting.
So this bread I make from breadfruit, that's all on the sweet potatoes. You gotta eat it.
And if you're diabetic, these are good bread because you know about carbs. I can't eat that. Carbs. So give us half a pound. You're gonna do the mushroom thing something with it.
So yeah, but
Depends on what we want. How we want a liquor.
the bami or not
Yes.
bami.
Make
So in that way,
Both
I'm
of
going
them.
to agree because that is what we want different. We want more than we want the 7.